Brady, are you helping Mommy clean the floor? Are you sweeping? Well, thank you. You're such a good helper. Did you just get that out of the closet? Brady? Good job, buddy. Oh, you're proud of yourself? Are you really proud? Oh man, you are such a big helper. Wow. Yep, sweep up the dirt. I'm going to get you your own little broom and a vacuum. Good job. You know how to do it. Buggy, you're funny. You are so funny.